visualize it. I feel it's something to do. Visualize it. I feel it's something to do.
What's up, guys? I'm Noah from Theme Park Fun. So we're just out here at Seaworld, you know, doing a construction update. There's Mark, and I look over. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's gone vertical. It has gone vertical. Here it is. Holy, it's beautiful. You guys don't even understand. Let me get up more close so you guys can see. But wow, this thing is amazing. Look at this. Look at the color scheme. Oh, there's more. There's Mark. Dude, this is sick. Station, maybe for the station right there. Wow. You guys, look at the supports and all of it. It really came along like amazing. It's honestly so beautiful. What's over here? Looking at it right now, it actually says station on the support. Like, bruh, what? That's insane. Here we go. Look at this. Oh my god. There's supports right here.
You see the intimate coaster?
Where? What do you mean? Walking back over here in the parking lot to the where they're holding all of this stuff. This track is really close. Like really close. Hello. These few pieces of track are actually for the chain lift. You can tell because it has like that slot where the chain will be in it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty psyched. This is beautiful. I do not know what that says. Here you go. Can you guys read that? These are some massive supports right here with more riding. Oh, it says lift on it. This is for the lift. Where is my finger? Lift. Can you read it? I can. That's cool. Oh, for catwalks? That's for like catwalks, I think. I don't know. Whoa. Amazing. You guys thought that the other pieces were close? Oh, haha. Oh, wait. What? What the heck is that? I don't know. Piece of turf. Brake fins. Yes. There's the beginning of the lift hill right there, as you can see. And that is the holding brake for the drop. And we got, of course, more track and supports along here. And brake fins, obviously. I'm psyched. Those right there that are stacked up, I'm pretty sure those are going to be the stairs that are on the side of the lift. Wow. What? Holy. And more supports. Oh, there's a chain for something.
What?
There's a chain for something. Right there. We finished our construction update and lots of progress. We're very excited. You guys will see it on his Instagram most likely in the next 10 minutes.
Nah.
But we're going in the park now. We're gonna meet up with Andrew from West Coast Thrills, which I'm going, and Sam I am. Don't forget him. I'm going to Hollywood Nights with Andrew, and I'm a little bit excited, might I say. Voyage. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.